Voice recognition technology has become increasingly sophisticated and versatile, finding applications in various fields, including healthcare and therapy. Here's an overview of how voice recognition tools can assist in therapy. 1. Enhancing accessibility. Voice recognition technology can greatly enhance accessibility for individuals with disabilities, particularly those with mobility impairments or conditions that affect their ability to use traditional input devices. For example, individuals with ALS or severe arthritis can use voice commands to interact with therapy apps or communicate with their therapists. 2. Real-time progress monitoring. Therapists can use voice recognition tools to monitor a patient's progress in real time. By analyzing speech patterns, frequency, and the emotional tone of the patient's voice, therapists can gain insights into their mental and emotional state. This can be especially useful in monitoring conditions such as depression, anxiety, or PTSD. 3. Automated documentation. Voice recognition technology can streamline the documentation process for therapists. By using voice-to-text features, therapists can dictate notes and patient records quickly and efficiently, saving time and reducing administrative burdens. This allows therapists to focus more on patient care rather than paperwork. 4. Speech and language therapy. For patients undergoing speech and language therapy, voice recognition technology can be a powerful tool. These tools can provide immediate feedback on pronunciation, fluency, and other speech parameters, helping patients practice and improve their speech in a structured manner. Apps like Speechify and others use voice recognition to help users with speech impediments practice speaking more effectively. 5. Teletherapy integration. Voice recognition can be integrated into teletherapy platforms, enhancing remote therapy sessions. Therapists can use voice commands to manage the session, access patient records, and record notes without disrupting the flow of the session. Additionally, voice recognition can be used to transcribe sessions for later review, ensuring accuracy in treatment records. 6. Interactive therapy applications. Voice recognition technology can be embedded into interactive therapy applications and virtual reality (VR) environments. These applications can respond to the patient's voice, providing a more immersive and engaging therapeutic experience. For example, VR therapy environments for anxiety or phobias can use voice commands to navigate scenarios, making the therapy more interactive and personalized. 7. Cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) tools. Voice recognition can be utilized in digital CBT tools to help patients record their thoughts and feelings verbally. These tools can analyze the verbal input to identify negative thinking patterns and provide appropriate therapeutic exercises. This can make CBT more accessible and easier for patients who find writing difficult or less effective. 8. Support for non-native speakers. Voice recognition technology can assist non-native speakers in therapy by translating their speech into the therapist's language in real time. This can break down language barriers and ensure that patients receive effective therapy regardless of their language proficiency. 9. Emotional and sentiment analysis. Advanced voice recognition systems can perform emotional and sentiment analysis, detecting subtle changes in a patient's voice that may indicate stress, sadness, or other emotional states. This information can help therapists tailor their approach based on the patient's current emotional needs. Challenges and considerations. Privacy and security. Ensuring the privacy and security of patient data is crucial. Voice data must be securely stored and transmitted, adhering to regulations such as HIPAA. Accuracy. The accuracy of voice recognition can vary depending on the individual's accent, speech impediments, or background noise. Continuous improvement in the technology is needed to address these challenges. User acceptance. Patients and therapists must be comfortable using voice recognition technology. Adequate training and support can help in increasing user acceptance. Conclusion. Voice recognition technology holds significant potential in enhancing therapy by improving accessibility, efficiency, and the overall therapeutic experience. As the technology continues to evolve, it is likely to become an integral part of modern therapeutic practices, offering new ways to support and engage patients.